Alright guys, for those of you wanting to buy this Eventuri cold air intake, let me tell you right now, don't do it. Pain in the fucking balls. They can't even get the holes right. You gotta drill this shit yourself. Spend all this freaking money on a cold air intake. You would think they'd get the holes right, you know? Can't even do that. Can't even do that, my boy. Can't even do that. Now, the screw could go. But, your call, guys. To me, go JLT. You won't have any problems. JLT, Corsa, whatever. Spend a quarter of the money, half the money, and you're all set. It looks cool, but that's all the same shit. Does not fit at all. So they could say pretty much whatever they want, but I can guarantee you it does not fit. Guarantee. Without modification, at least.